friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. Today's hair sponsor is Vanlove. I've collaborated with them once before. I'm super excited to have them back because they make beautiful wigs. Look at this wig, y'all. Take her in. Today what I have installed is a 26-inch 13x4 1B and red skunk stripe money piece wig. This is in the straight texture and she is gorgeous. 180% density. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and put some lace tint on. Okay, so she's giving side part action. We're here for that. It's been a long time since I've had a wig that had any sort of red in it, and funny enough, this wig just came in on time because Christmas is literally in a few days. So this is gonna be my Christmas wig. Is this not the perfect Christmas wig for me? Yes, it is. Oh, it's gorgeous. They done did it again, VANLOVHAIR. Now, if you want to add your little zigzag cut, go ahead. For me, it's not necessary. This wig fits like a glove anyways. See, like this type of wig is definitely my vibe. I am going to be using glue for this install. Okay, I'm going to go in with the Skin Protect from my Sticky Little Secret. So that's what I'm going in with. And then I'm going to go in with my Sticky Little Secret glue. You gotta work quickly with this stuff because it does dry somewhat fast. You don't want thick layers. Okay, it's better if you let it dry completely clear, but today we're not going to do that. Don't what is that saying? Do as I don't know. Anywhere that needs more glue, I'm just gonna go in and add more glue. Okay. I'm gonna grab some foundation powder and just dab. While you guys are away, I did pluck a little bit on this side here of the sideburns because the hairline is looking a tad bit fuller than maybe I would want. God, this thing, every time I burn myself, it's really annoying. I got this little hot comb from Amazon and I really like it. Why I really like it is it's because it's lightweight. It has like it rotates, but it also has fine enough combs that you can get into like the small sections. Might look better this way. Can you believe it? I can't keep
keep up with your mood swings.
Showcases more of the highlights. That's what we need to do. It's beautiful. The wig that I tried from them previously was a blonde wig, and it's still very beautiful. I still have that wig. Love their wigs. I'm happy that I got to try a black color, because then I got to see what the hair feels like without it being like processed like too much by chemicals. And guess what? It feels good. It feels really, really good.
Make your heart sing, but you're not letting me get through to you. If you let your gun down.
Okay, and the last thing we're going to do is clean up the part.
I'll do, come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen.
And spray some hairspray. Seal that in. Now, if I wanted to be completely extra, I could cut some layers into this wig and I could curl her, but this is a straight wig and this is how it came. So I wanted to show you guys it fresh out of the box kind of install.
Just tell me, I just wanna be your bride, wanna be, I wanna give.
I just wanted to come real quick and show you guys what it looks like without a black shirt on. For the install, I did do a glue down install and it was pretty simple because the wig fits very snug. So when you put the wig on, it fits like a glove. You can actually wear this wig glueless. I'm sure it'd be okay. The red on this unit is more of a tone down. I would say it's more like burgundy red. It's not like super, super bright. Let me know what you guys think. I love it. I think it feels super soft and the length is giving. We love that for me. Thank you guys so much for watching this review. If you want to purchase this beautiful, gorgeous wig from VanLoveHair, I'm gonna link it in the description box for you guys. That is all for today. I'll catch you later in another video real soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.